Tired of battling stubborn weeds in your garden, lawn, or between pavement cracks? In this quick and practical guide, I'll show you how to whip up and one all-natural weed killer using just 3 everyday ingredients, no toxic chemicals required. Why weeds are a problem. Weeds are more than just unsightly. They compete with your plants for nutrients, water, and space, weakening your garden's health. Since they spread rapidly, acting fast is key to keeping them under control. The key ingredient is vinegar, but to make it even more effective, just add a little dish soap. The soap helps the vinegar stick to the weeds and break through their waxy surface. So, you will need 1 gallon vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dish soap, 1 cup salt. This is optional. Here's how to mix it up. Start with 1 gallon of white vinegar. Then add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. For extra strength, you can add 1 cup of salt. This part is optional but effective. And shake it up until everything is well combined. Next, pour the solution into spray bottle. Then spray generously over the weeds. 24 hours later, the weeds should be ready to simply brush away. This solution works wonders on driveways, sidewalks, and garden beds, where weeds stubbornly sprout.